Young tamarind. Leaves are small and oblong with rounded edges. They are typically bright green on the top side and have a dusty red-brown underside. These leaflets are typically 1 to 3 centimeters long and 5 to 6 millimeters wide. Young tamarind leaves have a subtle tart and tangy flavor that can add a refreshing acidity to dishes. They are best consumed when young and tender, as they can become fibrous and tough as they mature. Young tamarind leaves are a popular ingredient in Southeast Asian cuisine. They are used in curries, soups, stir-fries, and chutneys. Every 100 grams of young tamarind leaves are 5.8 grams. Carbohydrates, 10.6 grams. Phosphorus, 140 mg magnesium, 26 mg vitamin C, 3 mg young. Tamarind leaves are a good source of vitamins A and C. They are also said to have digestive and anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces blood sugar, protects liver and grows immunity, has high antioxidants, increases good cholesterol,